Camp Invention!
Camp Invention is back in MISD for the 6th year in a row, where if you can dream it, you can build it and invent it. Camp Invention is a nationally recognized summer program. Over the past 6 years, we are proud of how the program has grown to impact students across the district. We have 2 locations this summer, one at Norwood Elementary and one at Harmon Elementary. In addition to having kindergarten through 6th grade campers, Camp Invention has an opportunity for middle and high school students to grow as leaders through their Leadership Intern program.
I'll help guide them and challenge them, but also work with them and encourage them to keep going with their ideas because they have so many cool ones, and I'm here to help them make it come true.
What I enjoyed most is helping the kids. I think being able to teach each kid differently, and I think that exact thing is what makes the camp super fun.
What I'm basically doing is, helping kids out with coming up with ideas, or making their ideas come true.
I really like connecting with the kids. They all have very distinct personalities. It's fun to get to know each and every one of them because they're all so different.
Their minds have crazy ideas, and I think it's so cool that you get to explore all of them and let them go, and it's so cool to watch them innovate and design and build.
This year we have 4 modules. In forensics, campers become detectives investigating a mysterious case using science and engineering. They build tools, collect clues like footprints and fur, and analyze evidence to solve a fun mystery. In space morphers, campers launch into space exploration, building rockets, designing new planets, and imagining how humans could live there. They are experimenting, creating, and testing ideas like real engineers and scientists. In making waves, campers become inventors and entrepreneurs. They're creating a product, designing a prototype, and even pitching their idea, just like they would in the real world. Finally, in the infringers, campers use their invention superpowers to solve real-world problems. They are learning how inventors protect their ideas and develop creative solutions to challenges in their community.
I like Camp Invention because I get to meet new friends and we make a lot of stuff.
I love meeting new friends and playing with them and making cool stuff.
I really like that you get to build things from scratch and also take apart things and put them back together.
My favorite part about Camp Invention is that it brings learning to life in a way that reflects Mansfield ISD's core values, putting students first, fostering innovation, and building positive relationships.